Hello all, this is Preeti Kedari from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Camp, Pune. Today we are going to see number system and their interconvergence. Number system is very important topic in digital electronics. Agenda of my presentation is number system, what is the base or radix of a system, different number systems and their interconvergence. Now we are going to see different number systems such as binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system and their interconvergence. First of all, let us know what number system means. A number system is a system of numbering and representing digits in the computer system. It is a technique used in representing numbers in the computer system architecture. The digital computer represents all kinds of data and information in binary numbers. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. The base is written after the number as a subscript. For example, as I have shown 110011 and here the subscript 2 is written. That means this is binary number. Then 156 8 is a subscript. This is octal number. 1234 10 is a subscript. That is a base. This is decimal number system. And the next example is AB5C. 16 is the subscript or base we can say. So this is hexadecimal number system. Now we'll go for the different number systems. There are different number systems such as binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. First one is binary number system. So in mathematics and digital electronics, a binary number system is a number expressed in the base 2 numeral system or binary numeral system. It uses only two symbols 0 and 1. Each digit is referred to as a bit. For example, 110011 base 2. Next is decimal number system. It uses 10 symbols and hence the name decimal number system. The numbers used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 base 10, 3, 4, 2 base 10, 12 to the base 10, etc. We are using decimal number systems in our day-to-day life. Binary to decimal conversion. So now if we have a binary number that is 110011, what is the decimal equivalent of it? Now as we have seen, the computers understand only the language of zeros and ones but human cannot. So it is necessary to convert or see what exactly the decimal representation of the given binary number. So how it can be done? So you can see in the table the binary number we should write first of all digit by digit. So I have written 110011 and then what we have to do is we need to write down the weight. So you can see at the unit place the weight is always 2 raised to 0, then 10th place it is 2 raised to 1 and so on, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 5. So what you need to do is we have to take the binary number and multiply it with the according weight whatever we have already written in the table and then do the addition. So if you can go through the example that is 110011 in binary, so the decimal equivalent is 51. Now decimal to binary conversion. So whenever we are going for conversion from decimal number to the binary number, the method which is used is known as double method. So in this method, the number is taken and it has successively divided with 2 and the corresponding remainder is noted down. Once we note down that remainder, we have to write down the answer from bottom to top as shown in the example given. So suppose we have to convert the 33 number which is decimal number into the binary. So divide it by 2, the answer is 16, remainder is 1. Again divide that 16 by 2, answer is 8, remainder is 0 and continue this process till we get answer equal to 0 whatever the remainder can be. So if you go through this example, 33 in decimal is equivalent to 100001 in binary. Next one is octal number system. It uses 8 symbols and hence the name. The numbers used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The base of this number system is 8. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 base 8, 3, 4, 2 base 8, 1, 2 base 8, etc. Now octal to decimal conversion. So if we have a number 123 in octal, what is the equivalent of 123 in decimal? So again we have to follow the same procedure. Write down every digit of the octal number given and corresponding weight associated with it. As we have seen previously, for the unit digit we must write down the weight is power 0. That is in our case octal. So 8 to the power 0. Then for 10th place 8 to the power 1. 100th place 8 to the power 2. Then again the same procedure, take the octal number and multiply it with the corresponding weight and do the addition. So 123 in octal number system is equivalent to 83 in decimal. Decimal to octal conversion. So the given number is 224 and we need to convert the given number into octal number system. So take the number that is 224, divide it with 8. The answer will be 28. Write down the remainder that is 0. Again divide the answer with 8 till we get the answer equal to 0 and write down the corresponding remainder and then go from bottom to up. So here 224 in decimal is equal to 340 in octal number system. Octal to binary conversion. Here the example given is 73 in octal number system. What is the binary equivalent of the given octal number? So consider each digit separately. So 3 and 7 and convert each digit into its binary equivalent. So binary equivalent of 3 is 0011 and binary equivalent of 7 is 0111. So 73 in octal number system is equal to 0111 0011 in binary. The next number system is hexadecimal number system. Now it uses 16 symbols and hence the name hexadecimal number system. The numbers used are 0 to 9 digits and A to F characters. So if you count these numbers, these are total 16 numbers. In hexadecimal number system, the base is equal to 16. As given in the examples, you can see 12A to the base 16, 3E2 to the base 16, 12 to the base 16. So all these are the numbers in hexadecimal number system. Now hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Suppose we have a number 12A. In hexadecimal, what is the decimal equivalent of it? So write down the hexadecimal number and then write down the weights. And as we have seen already, take the number, multiply it with the corresponding weight and then do the addition. So as given in the example, 12A in hexadecimal is equal to 298 in decimal. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. It is same as that of octal to binary conversion. Consider each digit and write down the corresponding 4-bit binary equivalent for the number. So 3E2. So I have considered 2 initially. So equivalent of 2 is 0010. E it is 1110 and 3 is 0011. So 3E2 in hexadecimal is equal to 0011 1110 0010 in binary. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. So consider the number 1011011 in binary. What is the corresponding hexadecimal number of the given binary number? So it is exactly reverse procedure of hexadecimal to binary conversion. Here what we need to do is make a group of 4 digits each and then convert them into corresponding hexadecimal number. So here the groups are 1011 and 0111. The corresponding hexadecimal numbers are as given here 1011 is 11, that is B, and 0111 is 7. So the answer is 1011 0111 in binary is equal to B7 in hexadecimal. Thank you.